Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Jesse Joseph. I'm going to show you how to quickly install the WSO2 version 4 on Docker. Try to navigate this website first in case you don't have an existing Docker in your laptop. Then click on download for Windows. Try to look for the installer inside the folder. Then double click on this one. Then click yes. Now it is done. Then let's proceed with the help.docker.com and try to just navigate this website. Then search for WSO2. Then choose API Manager. So now we have listed here different versions. I'd rather choose the specific version than the latest version, because we don't know what's the exact version we're trying to install. Okay, sometimes the latest version is not related to the exact version. Yeah, then I'm going to copy on this one, launch PowerShell, then paste, choose exact version. Now it is done. Then the next is click on Docker icon under the taskbar here. So just double click on this one and try to navigate to images and search WSO2. Then enter. Just wait for a little minutes. Yes, WSO2 EM. Then click on Run button. Optional settings. WSO2 API Management. Then click on plus and just continue click on this until no more ports are displaying here. Okay, next copy and paste. Then click on Run button. That means I'm going to launch WSO2. Then try to search under Container Apps WSO2 M. Then double click on this. And we're going to check inside the logs. So it is not yet deployed. It is still loading, starting the WSO2. While waiting for that, and try to navigate this Carbon website, the publisher, and the portal. So to verify if this is working or not. Okay. So let us just wait for a few minutes, and then this machine is trying to deploy the different applications. So let's try here, copy and then paste, enter. Then going to enter admin, and the default password is admin. So the first one is working. The other one is to check the Carbon. Same username and password that you're going to use. The default password is admin. So the verify install is JDK 11. The last one is going to check is the portal. So the portal. Now it is done. So it's finally working. If you have any question about WSO2, how to get started, how to install, let me know. I'm going to respond to your queries. Thank you. Have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.